Hello, ready? Princess and the Bear here.
We're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it.
So we came to Universal. We made a new friend.
Bruce?
Apparently he's as thirsty as we are. So we're over here
Yes.
next to Chez Alcatraz. It's time for a drink. So we're gonna go check it out.
Be sure to hydrate yourself.
You heard the girl.
Biatches.
It needs for all that alcohol in the time. Hey, Dad. Jermaine, one ocean attack for you, bud?
Yes, sir. You got it.
Shark in the water, Jermaine! Swim to your boat, swim fast, and don't look back any close. Oh no, too slow! Sharknado! Chop, 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 chop. Quick! I think you're gonna need a bigger boat.
That is so great. Oh my god.
One of those and one of...
I'm pretty sure this is the largest park margarita I've ever had. How much was it? $13. $13. So this is about the same price as a Disney Marg that's about this big. Universal is usually cheaper. Oh, this is very tasty. Very margarita-y. It's gonna melt fast because it's hot out, but I will enjoy this very much.
And I'm gonna put a little water. Hold on. I'm already sweating, doesn't matter. So, Margs, this Bruce. Now, when you say Bruce, I was definitely expecting Nemo vibes and then realizing that I'm at the wrong park, but you know, whatever. Woohoo! It's a tangy margarita, but effective. 3 out of 5 claws.
Then Bear got this shark attack. There's blood on the bottom. Of course, you guys just saw that. There's coconut rum in this. It's very strong with the coconut rum. Luckily, the ice has melted, so it's a little watered down, and I can actually handle the coconut. Otherwise, I'd have a hard time.
This is the premier drink. Apparently the one that everybody comes here for, because it's literally blood in the water. With a cute little shark show. My little cousin will appreciate that. This, however, is extremely tasty. It is strong on the coconut, but it's got some pineapple to balance it out. I can usually handle coconut rum when I got some pineapple added. This is the fairly refreshing drink. This may be like, especially given that it's not that expensive, maybe like an every time I come here. 4 out of 5 plus. Alrighty, so we just finished at Chez Alcatraz.
I love the experience. I love the team members. I loved everything about it.
Yeah, the bar staff is awesome, friendly, talkative, which also always helps when you're trying to get a drink in 100-degree heat.
It's true.
Definitely go there. If there are drink recommendations that we haven't tried, as interesting as that somewhere in Universal, I need
tell us.
you guys to let us know in the comments below. Then hit that notification bell if you want to see other videos like this. And
We have new videos 5 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.
Yeah, babe.
Hi. Here, honey, your pass. What fruit do you want, bud? Hey, dude.
many of your party?